Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Music Matters. I remain your host, Mr. Fega. Today, we shall be looking at a topic which I call musical alphabets and the keyboard geography. Now, what are the alphabets of music? The alphabets of music are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And these alphabets are represented across every musical instrument, at least every Western musical instrument. We shall be looking at it on the keyboard. Now, keyboard geography simply refers to how is the keyboard arranged? How are the alphabets on the keyboard arranged? Or the keys of the keyboard, how are they arranged? The keyboard geography is basically understood by the groups of black keys. They are in twos and threes. So every set of 2 and 3 black keys makes a set. Okay? So before 2 black keys, we have a note. This gives us C. Now, if you count 8 notes from C, it gives you an octave, and it gives you the same note, just an octave higher. This is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice that this note where we land is a white key in front of 2 black keys. That is C to C. Take another key, for instance, D. C, D. This is D. Count 8 notes from D. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 white keys. Now, if we were to count this tonally, it will actually sound 1, 2, 3. But that is another concept we will learn along the way. Notice how it sounded like the same scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. All white keys. But notice that when we did it with all white keys, starting from somewhere else, it sounded different. Do, re, da, 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 da. It sounds different. The correct thing would be do, re, di, fa, sol, la, ti, do. However, we shall study this along the line as we go on. So, having understood your keyboard geography, we will now go forward to look at how do we place our hands on the keyboard. Now, you take your right hand and act like though you were trying to hold a bubble, okay, but hold it ever so slightly. Now, we don't want to do this, neither do we want to do this, okay? But notice how the keys of the keyboard are arranged. If I put my finger on the black key and my thumb on the white key, notice how they are aligned. This is how your hand should be on the keyboard. It gives you the shape. Okay, so we drop that. Okay. Now we begin on middle C. Here, we place our thumb on C. Next finger on D. E, while keeping the others down, F and G. Common mistakes you see beginner students make is they do this. Now, I do not wish to discourage you, but you should understand that as it is with everything in life, even the act of walking as a baby, when you walk, you fall. You walk, you fall until you gain mastery. The same thing will happen as you journey through playing the piano. Just make sure that you stick to the process and everything will eventually become easy and simple. So your thumb down, followed by keep all your fingers down, F and G, F, E, D, and C. Let us do the same thing with our left hand too. This is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, having taken time to observe this, we shall now try achieving both with two hands. Remember, on your right hand, this is your finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, then finger 5. On your left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's begin. 1. Remember, with our fingers down. 2. Avoid doing this. This is wrong. This is wrong. Keep it down. And back. And back. And back. D. C. Now, while you do this, try to memorize what you are doing. D. E. F. G. F. E. D. And C. The practice assignment for this class is to make sure you repeat this process with your two hands. 10 times for your right hand, 10 times for your left hand, and then 10 times with both hands. Repeat it every day until I come your way again. I remain Mr. Fega. Keep practicing.